What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. As we take a look at the markets, today I do have four charts up on my screen, as you guys can see. I'm looking at Nasdaq, S&P, oil, and the Russell. If you guys have been following on my channel, first of all, I know I have not been posting for a while, but I'm gonna start doing it again, guys. I had to stop trading for a while, but I am back. So for those of you that were following me, you know that I'm a price action trader, meaning I'm used to plotting all my support and resistance and my trend lines and using some Fibonacci's and all that good stuff, right? But now I've been testing, and then you can see it there. I've been testing this semi-automated software that helps you with your trading, but especially with your entries. So, and I'll do a separate video just on the software so you guys know more about it. But anyways, you guys see here, it's about another 17 minutes before market opens. But really quick, I take most of my trades on Nasdaq and S&P, although I've been taking some on oil. Not so much on Russell, but I like to keep an eye on it just to see if there's an opportunity. I am trading on a live funded account, and I also will do a video on that for you guys that are struggling with funding accounts. There's a way for you guys to $150 out of pocket, and it'll give you a 50,000 account. And like I said, I'll do that video so I can show you exactly what you need to do so you can turn those 50,000 into a live trading account. And it's not as hard as it sounds. But I am trading on one of those accounts. And you guys can see here, I got some money management within the software. So I have my target goal of $100. Hopefully we can hit that. If not, my daily goal is still between $150 and $300. So that's what we are trying to do. So again, we're gonna wait for the market to open. I usually do not trade. I have the software not to give me signals in the first 5 minutes when market opens. In this case, oil opens at 9 Eastern, so that's why I've been getting the signals. But I still don't trade it until the market opens. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll get you guys back when the market opens. All right, guys, I am back. Got about 10 seconds for the market to open. Look at that trade on oil. Signal was here, went up, tested a couple times, and then just kept going higher and higher. Wow. All right, guys, there it is. Market opens. Again, I don't do anything in the first 5 minutes. Just like to see what he wants to do. And then we'll start taking trades. Alright, guys, here we go on the ES. It broke. So now I need for it to come a little bit lower, maybe here to 2870. Retrace, and then we'll take that trade. So we're gonna get ready, guys, to go short on ES. I'm gonna minimize. Once we go in, I usually have it. When we go in, I usually have a 300. My stop loss is at $300, but it just depending how the market gets us in. Depending on the candle, I'll just minimize the loss. So in this case, alright, we're in. See, it didn't break this yet, so to me, it could retrace back. So right now I'm risking 250 bucks to make 625. As long as this candle breaks this, we're good. If it doesn't break it, then I'm just gonna minimize this. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna put it here. So now I'm risking 175 to make 625. It's right there, testing it. I'm gonna drop here.
Order filled.
We got out 150, guys. It didn't break it. So I minimized my loss. So it's gonna keep going back because it didn't break this right here. And now it goes our way, right? Alright guys, so we're back in this trade. Just get some money out of this.
Order filled.
Alright, got some money back. Minimizing.
Order filled.
Dang guys, putting my, look at those pullbacks. Okay. Beautiful trade. Alright guys, S&P getting ready to go short one more time. It's gonna get us in a second. If it breaks this, we're in this trade again. Alright guys, we're in. I'm not gonna mess with my, let's see.
Order filled.
Alright. Order filled. This was the push we were looking for. Let's see if it gets us to the next target. If it does, we're looking at 487. Right now we are break even. If it comes back our way, we already got money in the bank. Let's not give everything away. We're not gonna be stingy, guys, and we're gonna make this right here. Closing on our stop loss, take profit. This time I don't want to give any money away, guys, so let's see if it gets our money or if it gets us out. Right there. Come on.
Order filled.
Alright. Order filled, guys. That was just amazing. That was crazy. Crazy day, guys. Let me just make sure I turn off my automation. Alright. Alright guys, there it is. That's it for today. Man, I missed some good trades here in Russell. I know I had already missed that oil one, but we capitalized after the third attempt. on this S&P, and for a final day of $390. You know, so not bad. And look at that, it's just gonna keep dropping. So we came in here, got stopped out because of this pullback. We actually it was on this one, we got stopped out, and then we tried it again. I don't remember where it was, but it got pulled back out again. Finally the third one, and boom, made our money. I should have left my target where it was. It was right here, would have gotten filled. But at that point, guys, I was already, you know, it had already happened to us twice. Anyway, it happened 3 times. Alright, guys, so again, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'd really appreciate it. Give it a like if you like this video. And again, I'm going to have a couple of videos explaining how you can get funded and an account like the one I'm doing this right here, and I'll explain all the details as far as the rules and what you need to do to turn this into a live 50,000 account where you can actually withdraw real money without risking your own money. And I also would have a video explaining about the software that I'm using to trade. With that said, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Top of the hour. I'm out. Y'all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next trading video.